How to stop Instagram suggesting your account. So to do that, follow these steps. Make sure that you have your Google Chrome with your Instagram signed in it, because this step does not work on your Instagram app, but you should do it in your Google Chrome. So open your Google Chrome and open Instagram like this. So after doing this, on the bottom right section, you will see a profile. When you tap on this, you will again see an interface like this. Just tap on edit profile. After tapping on edit profile, you will see many options. Just scroll down and down. So you will see the option of show account suggestions on profile. So this is enabled. That means your Instagram account will be showing in suggestions to other people in their respective Instagram accounts. But if you don't want them to suggest your Instagram account, then just disable this button by tapping on it. And now go back, and Instagram will no more suggest your account. But again, if you want to enable it, then just tap on this and your Instagram is enabled and it will be suggested in others' Instagram account as well. So this is how you do it. I hope you liked our video. If you liked the video, then thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.